Welcome to African Village Life. We are cooking African village food. Welcome to my channel, Margaret Joki Mugo from Embu County, Kenya, Africa. Thank you for watching my channel. We are now 60 subscribers, way to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for your continued support. I love you. Today, we are cooking spaghetti river for lunch. Welcome as we start the journey of cooking together. Kindly, if you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. For the returning subscribers, for the returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. Welcome to my channel. Like, share, and comment to your friends. Let me know in the comment section the next episode. What do you like me to cook? Wow. This is an African queen straight away. Cutting on carrots into pieces, onions into pieces, and tomatoes into pieces. Kindly subscribe. Wow, this is an African queen busy preparing food for lunch. Spaghetti. Remember, in the French, we live a simple life. We use firewood for cooking. We use Remember, in the village, we use firewood for cooking. Our sufuria are black in color outside. We live a simple life. This is liver. We cut liver into pieces. Those are our recipes. Liver, onions, tomatoes, carrots, spaghetti, salt, and oil. Straight away, we start by frying our onions into golden brown. We add onions. We fry until they are golden brown. Then we add tomatoes. We add carrots. Then we cook carrots and tomatoes for 15 minutes. Then we will add salt and pepper respectively. This is liver. Then after that, we shall cook liver and carrots for 30 minutes until they are ready. After that, in the other side, we continue to prepare spaghetti into pieces. Those are spaghetti in our African language. In Kenyan rural languages, we call them spaghetti. Let me know in your country, how do you call this food? How do you call them? Those are spaghetti. We are cooking for lunch. Spaghetti for lunch. Welcome. Let me know in your language. How do you call them? We add water with the pot. Then we stir and wait it to boil. When the water boils, we add our spaghetti respectively. Those are spaghetti we add into the liver sauce and carrots. Remember, we are cooking spaghetti for lunch. Remember, the children, we are with them, the school is closed. So we have to enjoy spaghetti with the kids while they have closed the school. Wow, let me know in the comment section, how do you cook spaghetti in your country? Leave a good comment for your mom. Thank you for watching my channel. Those are spaghetti. We stir and wait spaghetti to be ready after 20 minutes. The spaghetti will be ready after 20 minutes. We stir and wait. For your continued support. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. For the returning viewers, the returning subscribers, thank you for so much. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Wow, the food is ready. Wow, you can see the ambience. Wow, thank you. Thank you for watching my channel. I'm not good in English, but I'm trying my best. Today, the food is ready. We can serve it. Wow, those are my kids. They have closed the school. Wow. Let us serve the food and enjoy together. Wow. You can see the ambience of the food. The food is so delicious. Wow. 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 Let us enjoy the food together. Wow. Wow. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for your continuing support. Kindly subscribe, share to your friends. The food is ready. Let us enjoy together. Yummy. Delicious. Those are spaghetti for lunch. Wow. Wow. In our country, Kenyan life, we call them spaghetti. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.